Find a pair of numbers whose product is a maximum if 2 times the first number plus the second number is 48. Okay, so we know we have two numbers here, okay? And we want to find what these two numbers are. So let's just call them x and y, okay? And we want to find a pair of numbers whose product is a maximum. So product is multiplication, right? We want to find the largest value that xy can be if 2 times the first number, right? So what does that mean? 2 times the first number plus the second number is equal to 48. So this is the restriction, right? We know that 2x plus y should equal 48, but we also know that we want x times y to be the largest that it can be. So notice we have two equations, right, with two variables, but this is the key, right? We can actually solve this for y, right? Y is equal to negative 2x plus 48, and then we can actually just plug that back into here. So x times negative 2x plus 48 equals negative 2x squared plus 48x. This is the equation that we want to maximize. Once again, notice that it's a parabola. It's a U shape, but it's upside down because of the negative. So that tells us that this will have a maximum, right? So definitely you want to make sure that everything lines up here. All right, so we're going to use negative b over 2a here. Right? So the negative of 48 over 2 times negative 2. The negatives cancel out. 48 divided by 4 gives us 12, right? So what does that tell us? It tells us that x is equal to 12. So if x is equal to 12, then what is y going to equal? Well, we can use this formula to figure that out, right? So 2 times 12 plus y is equal to 48. This is just 24. So y should equal 48 minus 24, which is actually just 24, right? So x is 12, okay? Y is 24. And if you multiply these two numbers together, right, that is going to be essentially the answer here, right? So how can we interpret that, right? So x times y is 288. So what exactly have we found? We found two numbers whose product is the largest. So this is the largest number that we can get, such that 2 times the first number plus the second number is equal to 48. Okay? So obviously, I mean, we could have multiplied any two numbers together that we wanted, right, to get the maximum value. But we have to make sure that this restriction is followed. Okay? And so we've done that knowing that we're going to end up with a quadratic equation, so we can use the vertex to answer the question.